LeadPages is a tool for creating high-converting landing pages, pop-ups, and alert bars without needing technical skills. Here's how to use LeadPages to grow your business. Sign up and log in. Visit LeadPages and create an account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your pages. Create a landing page. Click on Create New Landing Page. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates based on your goal. You can also start from scratch if you prefer. Customize your page. Use a drag and drop editor to add and adjust elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Customize the design to match your brand style, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Add lead capture forms. Integrate forms to collect user information such as email and names. You can connect these forms to your email marketing platform to automate follow-up emails. Set up pop-ups and alerts. Create pop-ups or alert bars to capture leads from visitors browsing your website. Set triggers like exit intent or time on page to display these. Publish and promote. After designing your page, click Publish. LeadPages will give you a unique URL for the landing page, which you can share via social media, ads, or email.